The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Ohio County, Southern Ripley County, Southwestern Dearborn County, Northwestern Switzerland County, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Versailles, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Aurora, Versailles, Milan, Osgood, Dillsboro, Moores Hill, Wilmington, Hartford, Holton, Fairview, Center Square, Rexville, Cold Springs, Avonburg, Farmers Retreat, Friendship, Versailles Lake, Mount Sinai, Pate, and Benham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.